All right, let's talk a little bit about this Ryobi P215K 18 volt 1 plus lithium-ion half-inch cordless drill and driver kit. All right, let's shed a little bit of light on it. All right, so what comes with this kit? Well, the drill driver itself comes with a 1.5 amp lithium 18 volt battery and charger. All right, now some of the features. Nice, easy little click in there for the battery. Works really well. Now, like I said, it's 1.5 amps. This thing at maximum gets 750 RPMs. It has 24 different positions. Okay. You can see there it's listed up to 22, which would be right there. That would be 23, plus the additional one that has a picture of a drill on it. So nice, easy turning. You can see I could do it with one hand. Also, it has 2 different speeds. Easy click there for speed number 1 or 2. Now, I've used this drill and driver for just about everything. It helped build this whole basement. If you remember from one of my other videos, if you haven't checked it out, check out the one I'm building these barn doors from scratch. It helped me build those. It's hung these doors. It even helped me put this table together by drilling and putting the screws in. All right, so what's some of the cool little features here? Well, as I mentioned, easy turning for the different speeds, different positions that you want. This is a keyless chuck. That means you don't have to put a key in and turn it. Most of you already know that. Just a nice little twist there. Could take your accessories out. If you want to use it for drilling, easy little lock-in, little twist, easy to use. Another cool feature here is this little area down here is magnetic. It will help hold your accessories, screws, anything that you're using at the time. Front here, for your driver bits, nice little snap in. You can keep one handy so that those always come up missing usually, as you know. So a couple small little nice features. You may have saw this at the beginning of the video, but when I press the trigger, notice the light that comes on. Very handy as you're working, and sometimes not easy to see. This will illuminate the area really well for you. And the charger just plugs right into the wall. Just take your battery, plug it in. Now, you see it blinking red down there? That means it's charging. Once it gets all the way to a green light, which will light up right there, battery is fully charged. Wow, I couldn't have planned that better. So, I highly recommend this Ryobi drill. It feels great in the hand. I actually got rid of a different one just so I could go out and get this one. So again, the Ryobi P215K 18 volt drill, highly recommend it.